Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a look at something new on the Roku, completely brand new. Now, was doing my usual thing tonight, scrolling through the Roku, checking out all the usual stuff on my Roku. And then apparently I see this, a brand new UI for the search on the Roku. Now, if you know the way that Roku has their search UI, it's just a simple search with the keyboard and a list of recent searches, as well as, if you haven't searched on the UI, a canvas of posters for TV shows and movies and all of that. But now it looks completely different. It looks completely different. Of course, you have the usual search text layout on the left, but it's now shrinked a little bit, and now it's overtaken by recommended content of popular free TV shows and movies, the Roku zones, and as well as content that's included with my subscriptions if I have anything. Like, for example, I have Discovery Plus, so I get subscriptions for that. Now I don't have a Peacock subscription, but since I have the channel installed, it's giving me content for that, as well as Fox Now. I don't even use Fox Now, but I have popular genre Roku zones as well. Now I already showed you how the zones work for Roku's. I made a video of that plenty of years ago, but as I scroll down, I can check out popular channels here. So all the free and subscription-based content here, as well as my premium subscriptions if I have any through the Roku channel. So yeah, right off the bat, a new UI that's really squeezing in more content recommendations on the Roku in the search area. Now let's just search for something quickly. I can just search some FM, see whatever comes up. And now this is the next big piece of the new UI. Instead of having all of the TV shows, all of the listings of the movies and all of that, like in one list, now I have a TV shows and movies area where I can take a look at all the shows and movies that start with FAM, and they are in posters. So poster-based interface now, normal listings. So just keep that noted, and then I can scroll down and take a look at any channels, like live TV channels or regular Roku channels that have FAM in it. And then I can take a look at the Roku zones. So I can take a look at Family Karaoke, Tyler Perry zone, even though that doesn't start with an FAM, and other things like that. And then I can take a look at anybody that has the name FAM in it. And then I can take a look at clips and videos. So all that now in a different UI than the way it used to be. And then as well as on the top, I could take a look at text-based search results, like family movies, drama, fame episodes, original programs. Let's take a look at one, for example. And if I click on suggested search results, seems like that's what it was. It put in more letters, and I can get more content, like fame episodes. So I can take a look at movies related to fame. I can take a look at the TV show of it, and then I can take a look at more stuff like Fameless and other things like that, like clips, for example. Let's do one more search here if I can. I'm going to search that all-time favorite, The Simpsons, because everybody loves The Simpsons. And as I'm searching, I'm getting like a whole lot of results here for like, zones, TV, movies, and other things like that as I'm searching. So I'm going to search The Simpsons right now. And as you can see, I'm getting search results for The Simpsons as the top result. Season 33 of the show right now. And I can take a look at the full seasons here as per typical with the search result of The Simpsons and other things like that. And I can take a look at other things like Silence of the Lambs. I can take a look at C. Robinson. Anybody that has SI in it, as you can see, all the casts and crew here. Star Wars zones and clips and videos. Which it seems like if I want to view that clip, I'm going to need a subscription to Disney Plus. Let's go with a person-based search result. So let's try that now. So yeah, doing a person-based search result, of course, the person who I searched so is going to appear number 2. Maybe if I would have put in more letters, it would have come at the top. But you can see I can get movies and TV shows based on that search result that I just put in. Let me really try to put in a person-based search result. So yeah, seems like when I put in a person, it seems like it's going to come up at number 2, the second search result. But the first result, of course, since this person has a Roku original zone, it seems like it's going to be in the Roku original zone. But the person also has a dedicated, zone, since that person is popular and all of that. So I can take a look at music content here related to that person. So yeah, movies and TV shows related with the person in it, and the clips and all of that. And then I can get suggested text results I can put in here. And when we go back, we should be able to see our recent search selection. So that's the new area that you're going to see for the recent search results, in addition to the additional content that Roku is now promoting in the search UI. So just keep that in note. So all the search results that we put in, we can take a look at all of that here. And then of course, if we want to, we can clear it. And now it's just gonna go back to the search homepage. So yeah. So that's the new Roku search UI. Now, before we end this video, I really want to know in the comments. This is very important. I really need to know in the comments. Now, I know my channel is a small channel and all of that, so I probably won't expect it, but I really need to know in the comments if you are getting this new UI for the search result, the search section in the Roku. Now, I'm getting it on the TCL Roku TV, and I'm on the Roku blog right now, and I didn't see no articles on the Roku blog for a new search UI. So like, this is literally the first time I'm ever seeing this. Like I said, I scroll through my Roku TV tonight, and apparently I see this. So this is very fascinating. Yeah, I'm looking on the Roku blogs. They didn't announce a new Roku search UI interface, so this is a fascinating treat for me to show you guys right here. Yeah, I am not seeing any news about Roku launching a new UI, so yeah, this is very interesting. I didn't even update it or nothing like that. It just apparently popped up, this new Roku search UI. So this is a first, I guess, and this is the first time I'm showing you this. I don't know if others have covered, like other YouTubers like Colcutters News or the Streaming Advisor, but yeah, first time I'm seeing this new Roku search UI, and it looks completely different than the way it used to. I'm gonna show you what it looks like here while I'm ending this video. So that's before, and this is now, the new Roku search UI. All right, that's it for this edition of Roku now. Hopefully you got the most out of your Roku experience for this video. Let me know if you get this new UI for the search interface, if you want to, or if you don't want to, that's all right. And I'll see you next time.